Good evening.
Ma'am, today we will be discussing both the Socrates.
Good evening. Good evening, students. Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Just a second, actually.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am.
Yeah, beta.
Ma'am, today we will
Have you
be
done the quiz?
Yes, ma'am. Today we will be discussing both the Socrates.
See, I am thinking of starting something new. Then if time allows, we'll discuss. Otherwise, we'll discuss it tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And letters, still many of you have not submitted. And today I'll be sharing the result of letter writing also. Okay? You are graded out of 5. Okay? Guess the words, children. 2 points for each correct word.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
Beta, yes, now you'll be able to see there was some problem.
Now I can see it.
Yes, yes, Rudra, I received your letter. I got it, but check. Now check the word. Very easy word. It starts with letter D. After the words, I'm going to, we will have a sentence formation also. This time, from this time onwards.
Ma'am, please tell the last letter.
Oh, Namit, very good.
Sorry,
2
ma'am, by
points.
mistake into everyone.
Yeah, you wrote. Delete it fast. Others will come to know.
Ma'am, I don't know how to delete it and I am not looking.
Kabir, Naitik, Sarthak. Spelling wrong, Falak. Trisha, wrong spellings, you'll get 1 point. Falak, Kabir, Falak, you'll get 1 point.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is mine
Kabir,
correct, Vansh?
yes, Vansh, it's correct. Spelling wrong, Kabir Saini. It's deceive. Can anyone tell me any sentence from the word deceive? Deceive means to cheat, to trick someone. We will be writing sentences also from now on. Who's going to tell me a sentence from deceive? Think, children.
Ma'am, can I answer Ma'am Namit?
Yes, yes, most welcome, child.
Ma'am, he deceived me while we were going to America.
Very good. Many people were deceived by the advertisement. Very good. He deceived his boss to get money. Excellent.
Ma'am,
He
we
was
have
clever
to
enough
add
not to. Very good.
points for it.
Yes, yes. 1 point extra for those who are writing answers, the sentences, or telling the sentences.
Okay, ma'am.
He deceived his friend by not telling him the truth. Very good.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, please.
My brother deceived when we are doing a bet.
Yes, deceived me when we were you know, my brother deceives आएगा, थोड़ा sentence formation, ठीक है? Correct. Guess the next word. It starts with letter C. Very easy word. Falak, 2 point. Kabir
What is the last word?
Kabir Saini, 2 points. Videsh, 2 points. Kabir, 2 point. Excellent, children. Vanch, 2 points. Vanch, 1 point. You check the spellings, beta. Rudra, correct. It's conflict.
Ma'am, is mine correct, ma'am? Namit, I have also sent.
Namit?
Yes, ma'am.
Namit? Yes, correct, bache, correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct. Now, can anyone tell me a sentence from conflict? Naitik, correct?
Thank you, sentence, Falak.
Falak. Okay, the conflict between the two states caused a great loss. Very good. The conflict between the two states caused a great loss. Very good. Very good. The constant conflict between the two players is not good. There is a conflict going on. Trisha, you did not, I did not receive your answers, bache. I think your second answer I did not receive. First one I got. Receive I got, beta. Wherein there was a spelling error. This I did not receive.
Ma'am, is mine correct, ma'am? Namit?
No, beta, conflict one did not receive yours, Trisha.
Ma'am, ma'am, I'm Namit.
Namit, I'm checking. Wait. Yeah, beta, I'm checking. Namit, correct. The conflict between me and my sister made my mom angry. Oh my God, ये तो बहुत solid हो गया.
No, ma'am, I sent.
There is a conflict going on between Israel and Pakistan. Oh, Peninsular. Okay.
What does the word quarrel means?
Quarrel is again a fight, beta. A kind of a fight. Disagreement, you can also say.
Ma'am, do we have to give ourselves 1 point for this?
See, for telling the correct word, it's 2 points. For telling the correct sentence is 1 point. Trisha, I did not receive your word conflict one. You can write a sentence and get a point. Okay, so just a small part of prepositions is left. I thought of doing it today, and then we can have the complete Socrative check tomorrow. That part is usage of conflicts with few prepositions with few words. You know, we cannot, there are words like in, for, to, they are sometimes used with some words, and that is called prepositions with verbs. They are used with adjectives, they are used with nouns also. We'll do one by one. Now see, verbs. Suppose if a verb is talk. Can you tell me which preposition is used with talk?
Ma'am, to.
Yes. Every time we talk, we use to as a preposition. I am talking to. Talking with kabhi nahi aata. Many students do this error. Who was the man you were talking to? Children, you can note down these points because there is no for these there is no explanation. You should be knowing talk is always used with to. Next is shout. What is shout used with? Every
Ma'am,
time.
I think shout is also used with to.
Shouting, shout to. Who's going to tell me shout is used with what?
Ma'am,
What is
for.
what are you shouting for?
Yes, ma'am, I think so.
Think of more words, more prepositions. At भी आ सकता है.
On.
No. At भी हो सकता है. Lot of. Think of. Don't you think it is shout at? Yes, Trisha, you're correct. It is always.
We need to take points of these also.
Yes, very important. Very important. You can note down these. See, framing of sentences definitely. It's up to you, but at least you can note down these points. Shout at. She got very angry.
Ma'am, any sentence we will use at only with shout.
Yes, with shout. Yes. She got very angry and started shouting. On me kabhi nahi hota, it's at me. It's never. These are the errors, children, we do. We actually do. These are the errors which we do. So that is why I'm taking just common ones. Blame. Blame. Blame.
Ma'am, blame on.
Blame.
Ma'am, on.
Blame on or blame for? Yes, Trisha, correct. Blame for. The driver was blamed for the accident.
Ma'am, can you wait a second?
Yes, yes. There will be a small quiz, Trisha, then you will get the points. Now, next is provide. With provide, what do we use? You is not a preposition, beta. Provide to. Can we say provide with? He will provide you with this material, with this book, bag, or material. Yes. Think of any other form, beta, when we have provide some other. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
He will be providing me with a. Provide can also be used. Shall I scroll down or up? Down. Okay. Provide can also be used with for. What does provide for means? Almost. The provide for means to give or make available. They needed supplies to provide for. Yes. Very good, Kabir Saini. Sometimes a few words which can be used with 2-3 prepositions. जैसे look for होता है, look after होता है, look in होता है. We will be doing that as well. That food has been provided for the people who are needy. Very good, Trisha. Excellent. Next is divide. Plus, can anyone tell me divide into? The work was divided into, or the chocolate was divided into. The work was divided into people. The chocolate ma'am will be sentence. He will provide you with this book will be correct if we not write with. Beta, you've written with na. He will provide you with this book. He will provide you this book. That is also correct. Both are correct. Falak, both are correct. He will provide you this material, or he will provide you with this material. On my birthday, the cake was divided into 6 equal parts. Very good. Excellent. Now, when it comes to yes, Britain's divided India and Pakistan into 2 different countries. Very good. Correct. Very good. Next is believe plus in. Who's going to tell me for believe in? Believe on नहीं होता, believe at नहीं होता, believe in नहीं होता. You have to believe in God. Yes. I, Namit, Niyati, Falak, correct. I believe in God.
Ma'am, can you also use that with believe?
Can you tell me a sentence?
Like, ma'am, she believed that it will be a good.
But in that scenario, this that is not a preposition. It is a conjunction.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, these were few, one more is suffer. What is going to come? I believe that magic is real, Namit. Here, there is no preposition. My friends believe in ghosts and spirits. Tisha, very good. Now, suffer. Which preposition is going to come with suffer? Tell me. Suffer, it's from. He was suffering from fever. He was suffering. Yes, my Penfred is suffering. Very good. The poor kid is suffering from very, very. Yes. Many people are suffering from. अच्छा, अब suffering क्या है? It is अगर किसी particular चीज की बात हो रही है, fever है या something, then we will call suffering from. If suffering because suffer, चलो ठीक है, that's okay. This is suffering from is okay. That is okay. Oh, he's suffering from black fungus. Very deadly. Yes. COVID-19. Yes. Is it clear? Now let's do few nouns. These were all verbs. ये जो थे ना, suffer, believe, divide, provide, blame. These were all verbs. Now let's check for nouns. Prepositions with nouns. What does it happen? It's check for. Check for. Check for. Very good, Kabir. Now, what is going to be the sentence from check for? They sent me a check for 1,000 rupees. अब हम चेक ऑफ नहीं कर सकते. दिस चेक फॉर ही आता है.
Mom, you have written the,
Sorry.
and mom, there should be they.
Yeah. Next is increase plus in. Very good, Falak. Excellent. Children, it's better that you write sentences for each of these prepositions with nouns or verbs. This will also help you in, making sentences and clearing the doubts if you have any. Next is increase in. Very easy. Yes, his blood pressure increased in. Namit, excellent. What else? There was an increase. The teacher said that yes, there was an increase in the number of cases.
Ma'am,
Mhm.
ma'am, I wanted to ask that in check 4, can we write the sentence? They sent them a check
Huh?
from the company.
See, that check is this check. And I am talking about that check. This is a noun and this is a verb. With this, we use check for him. Check against him also bhi ho sakta hai. Isme anything can come. But here, we always use for.
Ma'am, we cannot use from.
Yes. This you are getting confused with this check and this check. Did you understand? This check is this is देखना check करना. ये तो एक physical piece of paper होता है जिसमें हम we write that you can take this much money from me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Increase in Naitik is writing corona cases are increasing in India. Very good. My score increased in the game. Very good. Increase in more sentences required. In the second layer of COVID deaths increased. Yes, there was an increase in my marks. Excellent. Very good. Next is invitation to. Invitation to. Very good, Trisha. Kabir, excellent. Kabir Saini. Invitation to. Who's going to tell me a sentence from invitation to?
Ma'am, I sent invitation to my brother.
Very good. I sent.
Ma'am, it will come
An invitation to my brother. Yes, they sent an invitation to me for their party. Now their Falak, thoda sa confusion hai, though I wanted to do these commonly confused words little later, but since I saw someone writing it, so it's my duty to correct that child. Can anyone tell me the difference between THEIR and THERE?
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, please, most welcome.
Ma'am, THEIR means that it belongs to them, and
Huh.
THERE means that it is there. Ma'am, like
Place.
udhar.
Place, kind of a place. It refers to the
Yes,
place, right? So this is a basic difference. Okay. Very good. ये भी बहुत common error है which usually children do, that on my birthday I sent invitation for all family members. So 4 is incorrect. You have to correct it to 2. Is it clear? Very good. Now there sorry, we are just diversifying a little bit, and that is a difference between there and there. THEIR, children, it means belongs. हमने अभी वो किया था ना, adjectives. We use this, their book, their pen. So here this there means place. जो हमने demonstrative adjectives करे थे. There is a boy. एक boy है वहां पे. There is a boy there. Did you understand? So this is a difference between there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so don't do
Can you
this
please
error.
repeat some network issue?
See beta, this there is means belongings. Belongs. जैसे हम बोलते थे ना, we did adjectives, we did their book, their pen.
Ma'am, is there the first one
And this
used as a
there,
pronoun?
it's used as a pronoun. It is used as an adjective also. Their book, possessive adjective. The other, this one there it's basically a place that I've kept the pencil over there. Very good. Very good. Trisha is writing. I have kept the pencil over there. Yes, very good. Yes. Is it clear? Yes, there is a pronoun. This is a pronoun. Clear? This is the basic difference. Don't do this error ever.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Acha, where were we? हाँ मेरा बच्चा.
This sentence correct that he is there. He is standing on the weight machine.
So he's standing on the wing. There कहाँ है इसमें बेटा?
Ma'am, in the this is the in the same sentence. Both type of sentences are coming. He is there. He is standing on the weight machine.
हाँ, this is correct. Very good. This is he's there. He's there में ये वो वाला there आएगा, place वाला. This there is going to come.
And ma'am, in the second one, it will come
He-
H-I-E-R.
हाँ, he is their friend. So here there is possession. वो friend की possession बता रहा है कि वो उसका friend है. हिंदी में पता है इसको क्या बोलते हैं? उधर.
Yes,
और उसको
ma'am.
बोलते हैं उसका और इसका
Ma'am या फिर उनका.
या उनका, whatever. Did you understand? Clear
Yes.
now?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So don't do this error, though we will be doing, there are many words which are used, confused or used like this. But it's since that a child wrote an answer, so I thought of clarifying that child. Now connection. What is going to come with connection? Sentence बनाओ और सोचो what is going. Falak, correct.
Ma'am, I need to give myself a point.
No, this time I have not. No, in will not come. Namit, you are correct. Connection with. In these things, you are not getting any point. There will be a quiz based on this. Then only you will get points. Okay. Now, what is a sentence? Can anyone tell me a sentence? Connection with. There is a network connection with me. Good. The police want to know about the man very good. There is, the police wants to know about the man in connection with. Usually
Policeman wants to know the connection in the gang.
in connection with the gang. Very good. He was having connection with his girl. Oh my God, that's too much, Namit. My laptop battery is going low. Please connect it with the charger. Yes, you may connect it with the charger. Connect. Very good, Trisha. Now next is limit. Limit. Who's going to tell me? I have connection with my friend from 4 years. Very good. Limit to. There is no limit to your errors. There is no limit to your this. Very good, Netik. There is no limit. To your errors, problems, questions, anything we can write. There is no limit to drive in Dubai. Very good. Is it clear? Just some simple ones which so there are a lot of words which are used with prepositions, but we are doing few common ones. We'll keep on doing more also in between. There is no limit to play. Very good. Sometimes, now let's see prepositions with adjectives. First one is rude. Tell me what is going to come with rude. Which preposition? With. Niyati Singh to. Trisha to. It's rude to. He was rude to me. I talked rudely to him. It's not with. I was rude to him.
And we can write he was rude with us when he talked about his mistake.
Very good. He was rude with us. Do you think we can use this? He was rude.
Ma'am, one sentence can be the teacher is rude to naughty students.
So sweet. He's rude to animals. I believe it should be yes. Yes, very good. But sometimes this rude can also be used with rude with. It is general, yes. When it is specifically mentioned किसके साथ rude है तब हम to लग सकते हैं. But when we talk about general, we use rude with. Sentence. He is rude with elders.
Ma'am, we will write that he is rude with us. Or we will write he is rude to us.
He's rude to us. क्योंकि हम अभी अपने आप को मेंशन कर रहे हैं. बट जहां हम यूजुअली नहीं मेंशन कर पाते हैं, when it is to a longer range, we can use rude with our elders. He's usually rude with our elders. With elders. जब थोड़ा सा common perspective होता है, then we use rude too. But when we talk generally, lamba, something like that, yes. Don't talk to him.
We use rude too when we are talking about the person.
One, matlab, very commonly used. Matlab, precisely we are aware of. Yes, Kabir Saini is writing he's rude with children. So that means the entire child fraternity, he's rude with them. And then you can say that he's rude to naughty people. He's rude to poor people. Abhi he's rude with people. Namit is writing Hitler is rude with people. That means we are in generally एक general sentence quote कर रहे हैं कि लोगों के साथ ये rude है. But if we say Hitler is rude to, his countrymen, or rude to, his enemies, so then we become little specific. Then we use to. Is it clear? Rude
So
to and
ma'am,
rude.
when we write, we should not be rude. So
We should not rude. We should not be rude. इसमें तो we are not even using with or to.
no ma'am,
We
we
can
should not be rude with our elders or to our elders.
with our elders.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Next is proud. What is proud?
Ma'am, is my correct in the second rude one?
Yes, second rule. Proud. Niyati correct. Proud on nahi. Proud. Proud. He is proud of. He's proud of his work. I'm proud of you. Don't you think? He's proud of his daughter. Very commonly used. He's proud of me. Very good. My mother is proud of me. Niyati correct. I'm sure when you listen, you'll be proud of me. So proud of.
Ma'am, is my sentence correct?
I'll be proud of my friend if she wins the competition. Yes. Next is delighted. With. Delighted. With. The prince. Delighted means, you know the meaning of delighted. My father is proud of me because I care. Very good. Trisha correct. Kabir Saini is writing, I'm proud of the people who take care of poor people. Very good. Very good, children. Delighted. What is the meaning of delighted? Happy.
Ma'am, when we get happy.
Yes, very happy. Yes. So we get the teacher was delighted. Yes, I got delighted with my new pet dog. It was, yes, very good.
Ma'am, what do you have right after hours?
That are good performance.
Okay, ma'am.
They were delighted with my project. Very good. Excellent. Next is surprised.
Ma'am, can one sentence
Hello?
can be the teacher was delighted with my work?
Hello.
Yeah, correct. Surprise. Surprise.
Ma'am, can we write, I'm delighted to drink this soup?
That is also delighted. Now, when it is again very specific, it becomes two at times. When it is general, we sometimes use, so we can use both as well. But I believe now surprised by. Surprised by. Can you tell me if everybody was surprised by the news? Everybody. Everybody.
Ma'am, you're surprised too when you're specific.
Yeah, everybody was surprised. I'll tell you for two also. Surprise by the news. Yes, very good, Netik. Niyati, children, too good. Excellent. Trisha, you were telling me to scroll up. You want to take a screenshot?
Mom, can you send the all words in the group?
You want me?
Yes.
I was thinking there is no because I'm using them on my own. So there you can take a screenshot. That would be better. No?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please send today's recording in the group?
Okay, okay. You just write it in the group. We'll share it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, can you do little bit of zoom out?
Up. Okay. Acha. Chalo. Is it okay now?
Ma'am, is my sentence correct, Falak?
Falak, we did about. I told na Falak. Yeah. I was surprised when I passed the exam. Yeah, ठीक है. This here, this surprised is generally used as a verb. We are taking into account when this sentence is used with the. Very good, Trisha. My mother was surprised by my
Mama,
gifts.
mine correct, ma'am. Namit.
Namit, yes. See, when you are using surprised her, surprise this, then this is used as a verb, not as along with the preposition. Okay. This I'm talking about Trisha and Falak. When you are using, I was surprised when I passed the exam of ISA. In that scenario, there is no preposition. The preposition is for.
So, ma'am,
Okay.
instead of I, if I would use we, then it would be surprised when.
Zoom out, zoom in. Why? Zoom out, zoom in. You want to take a pic?
No, ma'am, I was not able to read this whole sentence.
Netik. Yeah, what are you saying, beta?
Ma'am, I said to zoom out because I was not able to read the whole sentence.
Okay, beta. Okay. Next is, you will get a quiz on this, children. It might be having words, different from what the words are here, but it will help you. Okay. Sorry for.
Ma'am, surprise too.
Surprise.
Ma'am, you said we can also put two.
Surprise to का sentence बताओ. I'm
Ma'am,
surprised to see you. Yes.
Ma'am, is my sentence correct, Niyati?
Niyati, very good. I'm sorry for my mistake. I'm sorry for what I had done to you. I am sorry. I'm sorry for breaking the glass, for breaking the news. Children, I believe all these are clear to you. I hope no doubt. I'm going very slow because these are very important. And actually speaking, while doing writing skills, we do this error.
I wrote 3 sentences. Are they correct?
Niyati correct, Kabir correct. And who else is writing? They were sorry to us. They were feeling sorry. I'm sorry for being rude to you. Very good. Now, देखो Kabir so smart. He has used rude to you and sorry for. Falak, they were sorry to us. They were feeling sorry. They felt sorry. My friends fought over really badly and now they are feeling sorry for each other. So, correct. Trisha, I'm sorry for hiding this secret. Namit, excellent. Very good. Next, last one is, you will get a Socrative today, children. And I'm seeing the result. Many of you are not solving the Socrative quiz. Next time onwards, I'll start writing the names of the students who are not doing. Okay, so that is really bad. Okay. Next is famous. Famous. Very good, Niyati. Famous for. Namit is also for. Sentence. He is famous for his singing. Wow, Niyati, I was also about to write this only. In fact, I have written this. Yes, famous for. There are many, but she was famous for her leadership quality. Very good. Excellent. So children, today you are going to get quiz based on this. Maybe today or tomorrow early morning, but try to solve it because in tomorrow's class, we'll be discussing all the quizzes that we had done. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Can we, have a dictation now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start
Yes,
with
ma'am.
the dictation. The game.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, is it correct?
First word is poisonous. Poisonous. Be careful. Falak, poisonous. Got famous. Trisha, क्या हो रहा है आज सबको? Why nobody is able to write the correct spelling?
Ma'am, is
Naitik is correct.
now?
Naitik is correct.
Ma'am, is Niyati correct?
Niyati, Naitik. Poisonous. It's poison. Us. O-U-S. Very easy. Give yourself points. Poison. Us. Poisonous. Next word is congratulate. Yes. Congratulate. Break the word. Congratulate. Niyati correct. Kabir Saini correct. Kabir correct. Falak correct. Trisha correct. Namit correct. Naitik correct.
Ma'am, for the first word, should I give myself half mark? Falak.
No, it's Falak. It's a lot of error. If one word, when letter error is there, only that. Congratulate. Third word is pleased. Pleased. Videsh correct. Pleased. Niyati correct. Falak, Kabir Saini, Namit, Naitik, Vansh. Trisha. Videsh, where is it? Only D has come.
Ma'am.
Pleased. Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
please is the second form of please.
Yes. Next word is threatening. 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 Niyati, no, you missed out one letter, you'll get half. Kabir, you also missed out one letter, you'll get half. Kabir Saini. Trisha, correct. Falak, correct. Namit, correct. Vansh, no, threaten. Vansh will not. Vansh, Naitik, you missed out one letter, E. Everywhere,
Ma'am, is now Niyati's correct?
Nirti did not receive.
Ma'am, I sent now.
Threat.
Ma'am,
Threat.
is now mine correct? Vansh.
Yes. नहीं, Vansh. कैसे बेटा? Threat. Nirti, now I've received your threaten. And ing. Kabir Saini has answered correctly. Niyati has answered correctly, but they will get half of point because one word was missing. Vansh, rewrite. You've written threat. Ing. Kabir Saini correct. Sarthak, बेटा फिर से चेक करो. Threat. See my screen.
Will get the half point.
Yes, Vansh, now it is correct. Kabir, now it is correct. This is for when I'm saying now it is correct, that means you will get half point. Departure. Departure. Niyati, Kabir Saini, Naitik, Namit, Trisha, Kabir, Videsh.
Ma'am,
Vansh.
is Falak correct?
Falak, let me just recheck. Falak, no, it's departure.
Ma'am, what does departure mean?
Departure means, can anyone tell me what is the meaning of departure?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
When we,
when the departing is happening in the airport, when the passenger
yes,
is getting.
yes, when we are leaving, an action of
Yes,
leaving
ma'am.
something. Yes, leave or leaving something. Leaving from a place. Or going away. Okay. Check your points, children. Falak got 8. Namit got 11. Videsh 11. Others, check your points. Naitik 11.5. Kabir 7.5. Only Kabir. Vansh got 11. Niyati, I think you joined late, because of that
Yes,
you have got
ma'am.
less points.
Yeah.
And you missed out 4 points. And you know,
Yes.
this time I am giving marks for writing correct sentence also. So you actually missed out the major chunk this time.
Okay, ma'am.
Trisha got 8. Trisha also missed out one word. That is why she could not score. So Naitik seems to be the winner, And number 2 student of the day with Namit, Videsh, Vansh. I could see many students. Sarthak, how you have to learn the spellings? It's 12, beta. Trisha, it's 12.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So good children. Really very happy with the performance of the students. Naitik, really proud of you, bache.
No, so I got 12.
Who got 12?
Then me, when you said that I got 12.
Who got? No, it's out of 12.
Okay, ma'am. I got 10.
Ma'am, today the total is of 11 or 12.
It's 12.
Okay, ma'am.
So bye children. We'll meet tomorrow. Yes, Trisha, I know.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice
Bye.
day.
Take care. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
ma'am.